Hi everyone, I'm Allison Swift, Director of Development for OakBend Medical Center. Today is National Nonprofit Day. Did you know that OakBend is a 501c3 nonprofit organization? In fact, we're the only nonprofit independent hospital left in the greater Houston area. So what better day than today to give you a sneak peek of the exciting renovations happening in our ICU, thanks to the generous support of our community at last year's Patchwork of Life event. Let's take a look. We've got new lighting going in, including reflective fluorescent lighting that's easier on the eyes for our patients. And we've got non-glare wood look laminate flooring going in with a contrast border that lets our patients know when they're up walking around that they're coming up against a barrier. It's not here yet, but we're getting a new desk height nurses station. So it'll be lower, eliminating that us versus them barrier between our staff and our patients and their families. We really can't wait to welcome patients into this beautiful new space, and I know our staff is looking forward to it too. We can't thank you enough for your generous support of OakBend. Happy National Nonprofit Day.